Hello everyone, Geek Kev here,
Cheleah, makeup freak.
and we're gonna open December 2018's Loot Crate. Yay. Sorry for the wobbly camera, I don't have a stable... Oh, hold on. There we go. Ooh.
Looks interesting.
Let's find the magazine. For those that you don't know, Loot Crate is a monthly grab bag of nerd goods that you get in the mail once a month. And this month's theme is Scavenge. This is the booklet that tells you, that explains all the items in the box. And there's the Mega Crate that I swear I've never known anyone to win. Let's start off with this month's pin is a Lost in Space thing. I don't know. Whatever. Let's check out the t-shirt. This t-shirt's from Dungeons and Dragons, which I am not into, but it's a nice color. It feels a little softer than last month's t-shirt.
I like the color.
But the picture of the runner, all the things that you have to pop out of it, that just, I don't like that.
That's pretty cool to me.
Really?
Yeah.
I see that, I see frustration. Trying to pick those out.
You need to get frustrated too easy.
This is true.
So, I guess I'll be taking ownership of that.
Probably.
Yeah, buddy.
Next, we have this Fallout Fortune Finder Perk figurine.
Excuse me.
I have never played any of the Fallouts, but I have to say, this might be... Oh yeah. This looks like a decent figure. Never played Fallout, but ooh, that is pretty heavy.
Yeah, that looks heavy. That sounded heavy.
Yeah, that hit the table really hard. Alright, let's... There's the sand. Oh. There we go. There it is. All nice and put together. And I like it. I know I haven't played Fallout ever before, but I actually like this figurine. And it's gonna go up on my shelf.
Have fun with that.
Yep. Next in this box is a Transformers Bumblebee movie item. Ooh. Kind of cool. Oh, that's backwards. Nope, I had it right the first time. Cool little looking picture there. Oh, and then more pins. I really look great. You already give us a pin and you're gonna give us more?
Try to Bumblebee.
I was hoping it's something a little bit better quality. And there's the pins. Oh, they are. I actually like them though. They're kind of cool.
Yeah, these won't get thrown around.
No, these will not be getting thrown around. I will keep these over here on the side. Next, we have an Escape from New York art print. Okay, Loot Crate. You sent me art last month, and you're sending me art again. I can take it for 1 month, but 2 months in a row is a little much. And I have to admit, I don't think I've ever seen this movie. Next, we have a card stating there's a missing item. Says if you flip through this month's product guide, it's pretty great. Right. You might have noticed that Escape from New York cosplay eye patch is MIA from your crate. Well, after the guide went to print, we found out there were some production issues seriously delaying the eye patch. They were unforeseeable. Let's see what you did there, Loot Crate. Rather than delay your crate, we'll be adding the eye patch to our January crate, so make sure to keep an eye. Okay, the puns, they gotta stop. So, needless to say, they've screwed up. What is this? More advertisements. Adam. Oh, a $5 off. Should we give this code away? You buy movie tickets from this place and you get $5 off.
I wouldn't give any code away, just to, you know, you never know. I don't know.
Well, you heard the makeup freak. We're not giving that away. However, this other piece of advertisement, there's the code. If you want to try it, go ahead. We're not going to use it. Last but not least is the box. The box actually does something. Right there. Turns into something. Let's do it, shall we?
One eternity later.
Okay. After 20 minutes of ripping the box and trying to put this thing together, it was really hard. They didn't cut the thing that good. But this is what it's supposed to look like if everything worked out like it was supposed to. And then you got Bumblebee hiding on the bottom. And while I was putting this together, I noticed something about the statue I didn't like, that it's kind of doesn't stay in the stand very good, so I don't know. Kind of took the liking out of this statue when I first got it. So here's the array of items this month. I'll give this box a 2 out of 5 because I didn't care about the shirt that much or the art print. The pins, they're pretty cool, and the figure is cool. I just wish it would stay in the stand a little better, and this was a nightmare to put together and cut out. So Loot Crate, if you see this video, if you do this again, make sure your cutouts are easier to cut out than this. I nearly butchered it. Yeah,
that looks like it needs some help there.
See, I had to hold it together.
So, yeah. It looks like we're going to have to need some tape to put that together.
No, I'm going to throw it away. It looks horrible. Loot Crate. Thanks, guys, for watching this unboxing of Loot Crate. We will probably be back next month for this. And if you like what you saw today, please like, share, subscribe, comment, yada, yada, yada.
Keep it positive.
But keep it positive. See you very soon.